everybody, my name's Laura Fife and I do these little videos each morning to help people around the world with procrastination and writer's block. And this morning is number 98 of nearly 100 now of these little workshops that I've done over the pandemic lockdown time. If you'd like to, I'm going to celebrate for number 100 on Monday morning, so if you'd like to join in with that, please do pop, all I'm asking is that you pop a review of what I'm doing. It helps me know that what I'm doing is working, or it helps me know what to do in the future to help writers as well. So please do pop a review on Amazon or Audible, or probably the quickest way to do it is to pop it on my Facebook page, Figment Creative Expression on Facebook. And if you get your review, on every review I'll pop into a hat, and 3 people chosen at random will receive a one-to-one session with me to help increase your creativity, decrease your procrastination, and set up a regular writing block. Okay, our 6-minute session this morning is on, I think it reflects a lot of what's going on now, and it's change. So quite a biggie today, this idea of change. I think it's quite important when we look at, particularly in one-to-one sessions as well, and I look at this in Magpie Mind and Wellspring, that when you do become successful and you start to build up your successes as a writer, sometimes that change, and that change of lifestyle and change in sometimes friendship groups and things as well, relationships, that can be quite scary as well as being quite positive. So I like to consider the idea of change. But that's just one aspect of it. Feel free, if you want to pause this video just now, to do a quick brainstorm on ideas around about change. That can be quite a useful thing when you're looking at a big idea, or when you're thinking about submitting a piece to a writing competition or an anthology on a particular theme, to brainstorm lots of ideas and then look at it from as many different angles as possible and revisit that prompt a few times. Okay? Right, I'm going to stop talking. Let's go on with writing. That's what we're here for. Okay, so your 6 minutes on change begin now. is your 6 minutes up. If you've hit a wee idea there that makes you think, oh, and you've not finished yet, just keep going with it. I finished that with about 16 seconds to go. Generally, my advice is if you finish before the 6 minutes are up, round off an idea and you feel that that's a complete piece, keep going on a new idea. That's why sometimes doing a little brainstorm at the beginning can be so useful. It gives you something else to pick up and go with. So that's my tip for today with your Wellspring writing. Thanks again for joining us. Please do join us tomorrow for day 99 and on Monday for day 100 when I will announce, little lump of emotion there. After 100 days of spending a time with you all, it's been such a lovely experience. Thank you. I look forward to joining you on Monday for our last writing session of this block. At least I've enjoyed it so much, I might do more of these in the future, so stay tuned and let me know if there's anything you would like me to do through the feedback on Facebook, on Audible and on Amazon, or drop me a little email or a message. That's all good as well. So all the best, guys. Take care, stay safe, stay well, and happy writing.